Let me say it loud. My country, Nigeria, is a big country, and it is important to understand that its vastness is also represented by variety. It's like a house with many rooms that represent its diversity. Let me say that also loud. And that is why it is important to keep the conversation in our household going. We need to connect the different parts of the house. And one of the things we do in this regard is building the infrastructure. So currently there are 895 contracts, roads and bridges, covering 13,000 plus kilometers under construction by the Buhari administration. That is loud, so say it loud. It helps us to traverse the farthest parts of our country, to resource ourselves, to move goods and services, to drive the economy. But most importantly, the bridges help us to connect and to leverage our diversity to build on our greatness. As Nigeria turns 60, I see a better tomorrow, and I say that loud. So welcome to Nigeria at 60 Awards.